How you doing?
What's hello? How's it going, Elizabeth? Yeah, are you ready for the game, Tiree? Are you ready? Let's do this! Hey team!
Wakey wakey. Oh, morning.
Morning. Morning.
I'm George. Jack.
Oh, bro! You're in the barrel! Getting totally put in.
Oh.
Wipe out. We're on the way to Tiree. This is a bad angle, come on. It's an island off the west coast. Did you know that Scotland has 790 islands?
Yeah, boys. It's gorgeous. We've been up since 2 AM. I'm wrapping up before we get to Tiree. Good night.
Did you win all night?
I'm trying, mate.
So tight. Come on, mate, you get there.
Yeah, blood.
Yeah, blood.
Check it out. Going for a surf. Boom! Dead seal. Look at the size of this thing. Ugh. Look at his teeth. Mate, where's his head?
Oi! Oh, I just stood in a poo.
I was a bird watching my last one. Okay, right, I was discussing this with my dad the other day. Who came up with the idea of calling a bird a tit? Like, why? Some dirty ass PB guy.
I get where blue comes from, because it's blue, but tit, why? These are the questions that I ask myself.
Oh, Janie Mac, how lovely.
Oh, Janie Mac! Oh, help me, Bob. Help me, Bob. My mum used to say that all the time. Oh, Jimmy Collins, help me, Bob.